Hi there, it's Jeff. Today I'm on site. I'm actually in my son's bedroom, and today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this custom-made built-in wardrobe. Now this is his standard wardrobe here with a standard shelf which I'll be pulling out, and then I'm going to be installing the custom-made joinery. It's made up of 3 modular units. So keep watching and I'll show you how I do this step by step. Okay, to start off with, my method of construction here is using these base frames or ladder frames or skirting bases, whatever you want to call them. And I use adjustable feet on these. So I position this into place first, and I want to center this in my wardrobe. Hence you'll see a center line on the top of the base here. Once I'm happy with the positioning, I'm going to mark out where my adjustable feet land on the carpet. And because this is going to be installed on carpet, I'm going to need to remove just a little square, as you can see me here with a sharp knife, just so those feet can sit nice and flat onto the base or on the floor. This will give me a nice level surface to actually work to, because if you try to level this on the carpet it just won't work. So I'm just cutting out the carpet and the insulation underneath, and then I'll just need to remove along the edges there where it goes to the architrave, just remove those strips there that hold the carpet down to the floor, just removing that, just prying that open. And then once that's done, I'll be able to sit my frame back on in position again, and those feet will be able to screw down and sit flat and secure on the floor to give me a level surface to work to. Next, I'm using a laser level to level this base. Now, it's a matter of just getting the height that you want. I use a little engineer's square with a bit of tape on it and a mark, and then just screw up and down those level feet till I get the mark lined up with the laser line. And it's just a matter of screwing up and down just to meet that line. You can see this further demonstrated and explained in one of my previous YouTube videos if you're interested. But it's quite a quick and easy process using these adjustable feet to level your plinths, no matter whether it's on carpet or on hard floors. And then once I'm happy with the level right round, I'm just going to secure and tie down this base just by putting a few screws into the side there, into my framework of the house. I know that behind this wall and behind the skirting there is going to be a bottom plate to the framework, so I'm just going to screw down into that, into a few places. And then I'll be installing my kick face or kick front. So here I've just cut it to the correct height. I've allowed a little bit of compression, pushing that kick face down into the carpet so it doesn't stick up. I'm just going to get that top surface level or flush, and then clamp this into position while I screw it from behind. Next step here is to just find out where your wall studs are behind the gyprock. Just make things a little bit easier, because once the cupboards are in, it's going to be harder to find, obviously. So I just do this next process, and then I just mark where those studs are on which are going to be on top of the cupboards, just with a bit of masking tape. And again, I use a laser level with using the laser line once I've marked the lines on the wall, just to transfer them. And that mark with the masking tape that I'm putting will be above my cabinet, so I can use that as a reference later on. Next step, once I had all the cupboards put in place, is to clamp them all together and then screw and fix off the caps there, just to hide those screws, which is a nice neat idea. But it's just basically clamping those cupboards all together and then screwing them together, but just hiding those screws as well. These ones here going in where the drawers go, so they won't be seeing that very much. And then it's just a matter of fitting all my drawers into place. Only minor adjustments, because I do all these cabinets on a floor before installing, and try to get them all nice and level and perfect. So there's less adjusting on site, but just clipping the doors on and installing into place. Love those drawers. Well, this is the finished product. As you can see in the video, it was so much easier in a situation like this as doing it in modular units. In my case, it was 3. And as you can see, I put the 2 end ones in first, then the middle one. Just makes things a lot easier when you come to install something like this and try to do it in one big unit. You just won't fit it in, because I've got, with these wardrobes around the corner there, you've got that little bit of a wall. But very happy with the outcome with this one. This is also to match the bedside tables that I did in an earlier project that you may have seen in one of my other videos. And yeah, ready to go for my son's unit. So hope you enjoyed this video. You may have learnt something from this, or inspired you to do your own built-in wardrobes. But please subscribe to my channel, share, like, and hopefully I'll see you in one of my next videos.